Most people start day trading hoping to make money fast. But the traders who actually succeed focus on something completely different. They focus on learning before earning. I show you a realistic 6-month roadmap that can take you from complete beginner to a trader with a real chance of becoming profitable. Learn and practice. For the first 2 months, don't trade real money. Learn the basics, trends, support and resistance, volume, risk management. Then start paper trading. Use free platforms like TradingView or Webull and practice with virtual money. Focus on one strategy only. A good beginner strategy is momentum trading, looking for stocks with strong news and high volume. And from day one, keep a trading journal. Every trade should have a reason. Test your strategy. Now it's time to backtest. Track win rate, average winner, average loser. The goal isn't finding a strategy that wins every trade. The goal is finding a strategy that has an edge. Without data, you're guessing. With data, you are trading. Trade small. Only now should you start trading real money. And start small. Risk no more than 1% of your account on a single trade. Professional traders focus on protecting capital first. Your goal is proving you can follow your rules consistently. Most traders fail because they chase profits. Successful traders follow a process. Review results. After 6 months, review your results. Ask yourself, did I follow my plan? Is my strategy profitable? Can I control my emotions? If the answer is yes, you may have developed a real trading edge. If not, improve the process and keep learning. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal of your first 6 months isn't to get rich, it's to become consistent. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple trading and AI tutorials. Thank you for watching.